only you can fix this person's problems, but not all the time they emotional blackmail you. Self love in you will send them text message. This is the vibes you getting from this person. They can't harm you. Pass all these people in order to get you. No double meaning answer, no tricks, no game. Hi Margo, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychic love reading for the month of July. Keep in mind that these readings are journal. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidelines from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? What are the Virgo person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Virgo? And we are having here Wheel of Fortune, Justice, Two of Swords, Seven of Wands. What are the Virgo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Virgo's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Queen of Swords, Eight of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, Six of Cups. What are the mutual energies? Eight of Pentacles, the High Priestess. These are your cards, Virgo, and sign that could relate it to your person. Pisces with this High Priestess, Libra with this Justice, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Seven of Wands, Eight of Wands, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with the Six of Cups, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Queen of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Two of Swords, Queen of Swords. This person is in some kind of, they find you are beneficial for them, and also in some kind of ups and down and roller coaster. Only you can fix this person's problems, but you are not fixing right now. You are the remedy, you are the cure. This person get that. You can fix them. You can fix whatever happening. You give this person some kind of ups and down roller coaster kind of situation, and this person is trying to connect to their brain, their inner self, and trying to take decision. This person want to take decision. They're connecting to their intellect, their brain, their inner self, just to sort out problems, just to sort out their problems. And they know that you are totally being fair with them. If this person, you know okay with you, then you okay. If they are just reserve, you reserve. If they try to, little bit closer, you just talk to them politely. If they try to put any kind of BS on you, so gonna cut them off. This is the quality, this is justice, and this person know that if they try to make any kind of tricky move towards you, they will get that soon, the result, the damn one. They know that if they try to trick you, they will get that, their treatment, and you are pushing them away. This person totally get that you are not the same now. Now you are strict toward this person, you are pushing them away. Not all the time they emotional blackmail you and get through from all the what their BS. No, you pushing this person away, they can feel that, they get that you are fighting against this person, you are pushing this person. And if they try to do some kind of sneaky thing, some kind of tricky move, they will get justice from you, and you are being feared, and you give this person a roller coaster, and you are the cure, and only you can fix that. And Queen of Sword, yes, you are strict toward this person, you are not letting this person to use your feelings and emotions against you and use you. This is really don't you want that, and that's why you are strict toward this person. And with this Queen of Pentacles, you are totally taking care of yourself, self love in you. You are loving yourself, you are taking care of yourself with this Queen of Pentacles. And you know that this person want you to send text message. They eventually, they feel like that eventually you will send them text message. This is the vibes you getting from this person. And also you know that this person missing you. There is some kind of missing moments, you're missing the good times. Maybe you are, and maybe this person. I think you are missing someone here. And stable on your ground, self love in you, and strict toward this person, not letting this person to emotionally ruin you or spoil you. And this person feel like that you are really busy and you are working, and this person is working on themselves, working on their personality, working personality grooming, the counseling. This person is working on themselves, and they make themselves capable of you. And you are a high priestess now. You become high priestess. Mystery, secret, you know everything, but you really don't. You are not in mood to talk and explain things. If they want to know, they should pay attention, and they will know. But if we talk about you, you are not in a mood to explain things with this high priestess. Let's see what else we have for you, Virgo. What else we have for Virgo? And we are having here the Fool, King of Pentacles, Magician. This person want to have a new beginning with you. You are, if this person try to harm you, you are totally protected. They can't harm you. Healthy boundaries around you. If they think they can, a little bit you change your mind, no, they can't change your mind. You are totally strict on your point of view. This person want to have a new beginning with you. They want second chance. They want new beginning. They enjoy your company. They enjoy you, their life when you are in this life, and they want to keep you in their life, and you are stepping out of your comfort zone and try to control yourself and try to control this position and this, the situation. You are with this Magician card, manifesting on good things and trying to control this, you know situation. Let's see what else we have for you. Let's collect some pieces from future. Let's collect some pieces from future. What else we have for Virgo? And we are having here Five of Wands, Nine of Sword, and Ace of Sword. This person feels some kind of competition towards you. A lot of people between you two. This person feel like that they have to pass all these people in order to get into you. They feel competition towards you, and you are a little bit restless. You are a little bit sleepless, thinking about the worst possibilities, some kind of restlessness in you with this Nine of Sword. You are not sleeping well at nights, and you want clarity. You done with the spinning, asking yourself, and then making some kind of imaginations and all that. You're done with spinning answers and spinning consequences. You want clarity. You want clear cut answer. If this person want to have a new beginning with you, they have to give you clarity. No BS, no double meaning answer, no tricks, no games. To the point, straight forward answer. This is what you are waiting for, and this is what you want from this person, and this person feels some kind of competition towards you. You think a lot of people between you and me. In order to cross these people, it's really hard. They have to be extra, they have to pay extra attention. They feel like that. Okay, let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What do your angel want to add in this reading? Keep charging ahead and don't take no for an answer. Accept miraculous solution to appear. Amazing message from your angel. Let's see what advice message is. Enjoy life. Enjoy your friendships. Heal. Think about yourself and value yourself. These are few advice messages in the end of Virgo, and the summary of your reading is: this person, you give them some kind of roller coaster, and this person is totally ups and down, and only you can fix this person know that you are pushing them away, and you are being fair with this person. If this person try to throw any kind of BS or do something sneaky, you're so gonna cut off this person. This person feels some kind of competition towards you, and you are a little bit restless. You are doing well, but somewhere deep down you are thinking about the worst possibilities, and you want clarity and peace of mind in the situation, Virgo. These are the summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.